the baddest, the realest, the K extra extravaganza. Keep watching for more videos. Tune in.
Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more content.
What's up, you guys? Your girl DK Extra Extravaganza, and we're back with another video. I haven't seen you guys in a couple of weeks. This is gonna be a quick video, y'all. Something just, as you can see, I just got done doing a look. You can check that out on my Instagram and on my TikTok. I am finna remove this stuff, but I'm pretty sure. Why not show y'all? Y'all can see what the heck I'm doing, because why not? But yeah, it was St. Patrick's Day. It's not St. Patrick's Day today. It was like a couple days ago. I haven't had time to do a look, but this is what I came up with. You got the rainbow, a little pot of gold, some clouds, you know what I'm saying? Rhinestones on the eyes. Something, you know what I'm saying, cute, sweet, simple. But it's time to take it all off because I've created the content that I wanted to and ready to have my face back. So I'm gonna start with lashes. This is not healthy, I do not recommend. It does damage to your lashes, but me, I just take them off. But they're not really on there for real as much because I had these rhinestones on there. Okay, that one came off, this one came off. Lashes, clean your lashes, especially if they look like that. And you can obviously tell I used it a couple times for certain looks. All right, lashes off. This is my second time using this paint, so we're gonna hope that it don't stain. Just got some regular removable makeup wipes. I'm gonna grab like 3. And I'm gonna start with my lips. You're really not supposed to scrap your face like this. It's really unhealthy for your skin, but how is she gonna get it off? All right, we got my lips back. I'm just gonna go for it, y'all. I'm a little nervous. I'm gonna come up close so you can really see. Okay. This ain't bad. Yeah, so it came out better than I expected. I was re-recording just in case it didn't, so I can have a good laugh, because then I was gonna really look like a plump ass fool because I gotta go work tomorrow, but it's coming off, so God loves me. So that matters. Sometimes I do this method here. I know you like, bitch. It works. Get what I can't get. I do have rhinestones on the inner of my eyes. I forgot, y'all. It's how fast I am scraping this shit off of my face. Like, it's fun. I really enjoy doing this, you guys, but after sitting there for so long, I'll be ready to snatch it off. Y'all, I'm just scraping my face, playing with these rhinestones. Let me stop before I get in my contact. Got these contacts from Mocha Queen. I put a link in the description below. They're very popular, pretty sure you've heard of them. If you haven't, I suggest you guys check them out. Let's get these rhinestones off. Okay, that's most of the makeup for the most part. I'm gonna take the rest off behind the scenes and come back to you guys in a second. Okay guys, it's gone for the most part. I know, I go in the bathroom, do a little cleanup or whatever, etc. Hydrate my skin with probably some Hydrobizer from Fenty. I put some CeraVe on my eyelids as well afterwards because I know they'd be a little aggravated and irritated. And that's about it, y'all. Just a little quick behind the scenes. I just wanted to show y'all. I be taking that shit off quick. You don't want to keep on your skin too long. But, I see you guys in the next video. Peace out. A-Town now.
I think I'm pretty without any